everyone. Let me share you one day of Auntie Amal members and volunteers day. So this is our day. We started every day. Most of the days we started in the swimming pool. It is 9 a.m. So today, the first day of the snowstorm happened in Canada. Auntie Amal members plan to go to the beach to walk there. We went to the beach there and we started to walk in the snow. This walk is good for our mental health issue. It's a good space for during this pandemic because it's far place and nobody come to each other. Now we are coming back to go to our work, to start our work. Today we need to shovel all the people houses, especially the seniors. We were late because of this sheep want to cross the bridge to go to the other side, and especially it was very snow, the lake was ice, everything was ice, so it was hard to go fast. came back, it was very hard to drive during this snowstorm, because everything icy and snowy. Even with the lack of labor during this pandemic, we need to help. So we brought our volunteers to help the seniors who stuck at their homes, and especially the streets were very snowy. When we started to shovel, all the community members came together to shovel together and to clean our street together.